Hi students, now we can discuss exercise 17a, question number 44. In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with the center O. CD and BE are parallel. Angle AOB is equal to 80 degree and angle ACE is equal to 10 degree. Calculate first one angle BEC, second angle BCD, third angle CED. Given AC is the diameter, join BC and AB. Also given CD parallel to BE, and given AOB is 80 degree and ACE, the small angle, is 10 degree. Since BOC plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because AOC is a straight line, no? So sum of angles will be 180 degree. So these two angles will be 180 degree, means angle BOC will be 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degree. So this angle will be 100 degree. This angle will be 100 degree. Sum is 180 degree. Then look at angle BEC. BEC. For that, BOC. What is the relation between BEC and BOC? Both lies in the same segment BC. No, BOC is the central angle and BEC also lies in this segment BC. So how can we write BEC? BEC will be what? BOC divided by 2. What we got BOC? BOC as 100. So what about BEC will be 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50 degree. That is, reason is angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So we will get BEC as 50 degree. Here we will get it as 50 degree, since BOC is 100 degree. BEC will be 50 degree, same segment. BEC is equal to 50 degree. That is the first part. Then next, given CD is parallel to BE, EC is the transversal. Since these two are parallel and EC is the transversal, which two angles will be equal? BEC will be equal to DCE. That means these two are alternate angles. These two, this one and this one, are alternate angles. So now we got BEC as 50 degree. Now we proved BEC as 50 degree. So what about DCE? DCE also will be 50 degree, since these two are alternate angles. 50 degree we got. AOB is given as 80 degree. So what about ACB? AOB is given as 80 degree. AOB lies in the segment AB. So ACB also lies in this same segment. No. So AOB is 80 degree, means ACB will be half of 80 degree. So it will be 40 degree. So ACB will be 40 degree. This angle will be 40 degree because angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So we got that as 40 degree. Next, look at angle BCD. BCD, the full angle, that is the sum of BCE, that is the sum of BCE plus DCE. Now the full angle BCD, how can we write From the figure itself it is clear. How can we write BCD? All the things are given. It is there in the question. This small angle is 10. Now we proved 40. Then 50. So what about this total angle BCD? BCD will be what? Check it. So what about BCD? BCD will be the sum of BCE plus DCE. Or you can write what? Instead of this step. No need of writing this step. Instead of this step, we can directly write what? BCD will be the sum of these three angles. Which three angles? BCA plus ACE plus DCE. That is the three angles. Sum of these three angles. It is directly, we can write from the figure itself. We can write directly. So 40 plus 10 plus 50. So angle BCD will be 100 degree. You can avoid this step. If it is difficult for you, means you can avoid this step and you can directly write angle BCD from the figure itself. Okay. Then consider the cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. BCDE. That is, consider this cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. So all the measurements angles I am rubbing. So after that we can discuss. So consider the cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. So we discuss BCD. This sum is 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. So if you are considering the cyclic quadrilateral, which cyclic quadrilateral BCDE, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral will be supplementary. So which two angles, which are the two opposite angles? Angle C and angle E will be 180 degree. These two angles will be 180 degree. Now we proved this angle C as 100 degree. So what about this angle E? It will be 180 minus 100. It will be what? 80 degree. That is, angle BED will be this angle BED will be 80 degree. We want to prove BED is equal to 80 degree. We want to prove which one? CED we want. We need to prove CED. Now we got BED as total as 80 degree. Already we proved BEC, we got it as 50 degree. Already we proved here this angle as 50 degree. Already we proved. Total angle we got it as 80 degree. And CEB we got it as up to this. Total angle we got it as 80 degree and up to this we got it as 50 degree. So what about this remaining angle? It will be 80 minus 50. It will be 30 degree. That is, angle CED is 80 minus 50. CED is 80 minus 50. So this angle is 30 degree. CED will be 30 degree. So that is the answer. CED we want to prove. The angle, measure of angle CED is 30 degree. Okay. Thank you.